What's up, guys? Today we're going to look at a song you all know and love. It's called Star Wars, the main theme. And we're going to have an awesome special guest join us. How's it going, McKenna?
Good.
Sweet. Well, how long have you been playing guitar?
10 months.
10 months. Sweet. Well, thanks so much for playing for us. We're going to have McKenna demonstrate the song from start to finish, and then we're going to break it down after. All right, so I'm going to count you off. 1, 2, 3, go. Very nice. That was flawless. Thank you for playing, McKenna. Now we're going to jump into how to play it. Grab your manual. Let's get started. Now it's time to break down Star Wars, the main theme, and show you how to play it. I'm going to start on part A and play it at normal tempo, teach you, and then we're going to move on to part B. Here's part A. Okay, let's learn Star Wars main theme part A. First off, we're going to go to the 4th string open, 4th string open, and we're going to hit that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. After that, we're going to hit the string right below it open. Try that with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now take your ring finger, left hand, and we're going to go to the 2nd string, 3rd fret. 2nd string, 3rd fret. That beginning part is like this all together. Great. Now we're going to go to the 1st fret, 2nd string, and I'm using my 1st finger there. After you hit that, we're going to just lift off that finger and play that same string open. Try that. After that, we're taking the middle finger, left hand, and we're going here. That's the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Good. Now leave your middle finger there. Don't lift it off. We're going to take the pinky. We're going to hit that there. That's the bottom string, 3rd fret. Sounds like that. And now we're going to play the string right above that. That's the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And I'm using my ring finger there. Okay, next you're going to take your index finger, and we're going to hit the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to lift off that finger, and play that same string open. Good. Now take your middle finger, left hand. We're going to go to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Just like this. And now take your pinky and go to the 3rd fret, bottom string. Find that note. Might be a little bit of a stretch at first. You'll get it. Okay, so we're going to go. After you play the note with the pinky, we're going to play the note right above it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And right here, I'm using my ring finger. So for those 2 notes, I'm using my pinky, ring finger. Let's try that again. 1st finger, open, middle, pinky, ring. And now for this part A section, we're just repeating that same thing again. And now we're going to the first fret again, second string, then open on the second string, back again, and then same middle finger note right here. That's on the second fret, third string. We're ending the section like this and letting it just ring out. For part A, we're going to be playing it all the way through twice. All right, let's jump into part B of Star Wars main theme. I'm going to play through it first, and then we are going to break it down. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, now it's time to break down part B of Star Wars the main theme. Go ahead and go to the fourth string, open. This is the part that repeats a few times in the song. We're gonna go just like that, 3 times. And we're gonna go to the second fret, fourth string, and hit that twice. Altogether, it's. Okay, now next part, we're gonna go first fret, second string, and then open. Then we're gonna go 1 string higher on the second fret, open, open again. But right here, we're actually gonna hit the open string and then hammer on to the next note like this. And to do that little lick, I'm just hitting it open twice, and I'm taking my finger like that, and I'm just hammering onto the vibrating string. And when I do that, I'm gonna get that sound out. So I'm not hitting it 3 times like that. I'm not doing this, right? That wouldn't be a hammer on. I'm gonna do this instead. Hammer on right there. And it'll take a little bit of practice before you get it. Then I'm going to the next string, below, open, back, 1 string higher, second fret, then 4th fret. Now same as the beginning. And then here. For that part, I'm just going first fret, second string, open, second fret, third string, open, and then second string, third fret. And I'm using my ring finger right there. And we're landing on this note twice on the third string, second fret. Nice. Same as the beginning here. And then that's just repeated. Same exact thing. And now to the last section is a bit different. We're gonna go third fret, second string, 3 times, then drop it to the bottom string, and then first fret, open, second string, third fret, here, first fret, open, just like that. That next part, I'm just going open on the second string, third string, second fret, off, then second string, third fret. Awesome, give that a shot really quick. You can pause the video if you need more time. Last part. For that, I'm just hitting the 4th string open, and then landing here on this note. That's on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So pay close attention to the rhythm of that. Na, 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 na. Right? It'll take a little practice too to get that rhythm. And something I do to get used to it is just kind of playing and humming along. The first note has a little pause after it as well. That could help you. So, and then we're just hitting this note here, 2nd string, 1st fret, and then landing on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, like that. And just letting it ring out. So there you go. That's Star Wars, the main theme, part B. Let's move on to the 3 levels of mastery for Star Wars, the main theme. For level 1, play, go ahead and practice the song 15 minutes a day for 1 week. After that, move on to level 2, explore. And I'd like for you to watch your favorite movie in the Star Wars franchise and really listen for the main theme in the beginning. Listen for it and then get inspired by it. You could even play to it if you like. For level 3, advance, I'd like for you to master part A at normal tempo. After that, move on to part B and master that at normal tempo. And then you'll have mastered the lesson. All right, guys, see you for the next one. Thanks for watching.